This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and enabling Nearby Share so the reset can take effect. Open Settings, go to Google, then Devices and Sharing, tap Nearby Share. Make sure Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location are already on. Nearby Share requires them. Choose a visibility option temporarily so you can test later. Once done, note the device name shown. You'll use it to verify successful resets. This initial setup primes the system and prevents connectivity surprises during the reset steps you'll follow next. Now proceed to the actual reset, clearing the app data that Nearby Share relies on. Open Settings, Apps, view all apps, and locate Google Play services and Nearby Share entries. For each, open Storage and Cache and choose Clear Cache followed by Clear Storage or Clear Data. This removes corrupted settings. After both are cleared, restart your device to allow services to reinitialize. Make sure to keep Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled during reboot, so background service restoration completes without manual intervention when the phone comes back up. Finish by reconfiguring Nearby Share and verifying it works. Open Nearby Share, set your device name, choose Visibility Contacts or All Nearby, and select data preference like Wi-Fi only or data allowed. Then send a small test file to a trusted Nearby device to confirm discovery and transfer. If the transfer fails, toggle visibility off and on, restart both devices, and ensure Google Play services are up to date. That troubleshooting tip usually resolves lingering discovery or permission problems, so sharing resumes normally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.